Hello, I'm Akanksha Mishra and welcome back to TNV Academy, your go-to channel for mastering ISO standards and building ethical workplace. Today, we are diving into an important topic for organizations planning to implement ISO 37003. Common mistakes that can derail your whistleblowing management system and practical tips on how to avoid them. ISO 37003 provides great guidance for setting up whistleblowing systems, but many organizations stumble in the implementation phase, sometimes causing more harm than good. If you want your whistleblowing system to truly work and build trust in your organization, this video is a must-watch. So let's get started. Mistake 1. Lack of leadership commitment. One of the biggest mistakes is lack of visible and active leadership commitment. Whistleblowing systems can only succeed if top management supports them openly. When leaders don't prioritize whistleblowing or communicate its importance, employees see it as just another tick box exercise and won't use the system. How to avoid this? Get leadership involved early, have them publicly endorse the whistleblowing policy, include whistleblowing goals in organizational KPIs or ethics programs. Leadership commitment sets the tone for the entire culture. Mistake 2. Inadequate or vague policies. Next, many organizations have policies that are too vague or complex. If your whistleblowing policy doesn't clearly explain what can be reported, who can report, how to report, what protections are in place, employees won't trust it or understand it. How to avoid? Write simple, clear policies in everyday language. Include examples of reportable concerns. Make policies easy to access. Post them on the intranet or employer handbook. Remember, clarity builds trust. Mistake 3. Limited reporting channels. Offering only one reporting channel, especially if it's not anonymous or confidential, can discourage whistleblowers. Many employees fear retaliation if their identity is exposed. How to avoid? Provide multiple reporting channels, hotlines, online portals, email, in person. Allow anonymous reporting. Use secure third-party managed channels if possible. This variety increases trust and accessibility. Mistake 4. Poor investigation processes. Even with good reporting, if investigations are delayed, biased, or incomplete, employees lose faith in the system. Common problems include no clear investigation procedures, investigators lacking training, retaliation or leaks during investigation. How to avoid? Develop clear documented investigation procedures. Train investigators on fairness and confidentiality. Monitor cases closely to ensure timely resolution. A fair and timely process encourages reporting. Mistake 5. Inadequate protection for whistleblowers. Fear of retaliation is the number one reason employees don't report. Some organizations fail to establish or enforce strong whistleblower protections. How to avoid? Create and communicate a zero retaliation policy. Ensure anonymity where possible. Provide support resources like counseling or legal advice. Protecting whistleblowers builds confidence in the system. Mistake 6. Poor communication and awareness. Many companies set up a whistleblowing system but fail to tell their employees about it. If people don't know about the system or how to use it, reports will be low. How to avoid? Run regular awareness campaigns. Include whistleblowing info in onboarding and training. Use posters, emails, intranet banners, and meetings. Communication keeps the system alive and relevant. Mistake 7. Not monitoring or improving the system. Finally, some organizations implement the system and forget it. Without ongoing monitoring, evaluation, and improvement, the system will become outdated or ineffective. How to avoid? Track key metrics like number of reports, resolution times, and outcomes. Gather feedback from users anonymously. Regularly review policies and procedures and update them as needed. Continuous improvement is key to long-term success. To summarize this, we can say that avoiding these common pitfalls will help you build a whistleblowing system that works, one, that employs trust and used to make your organization more ethical and transparent. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe to TNV Academy and share your questions or experiences in the comments below. Would you like templates or checklists to help implement ISO 37003 smoothly? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay ethical, stay aware.